Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we talk about guide to donating your car in California. Donating a car is a generous way to make a positive impact on your community while also benefiting from potential tax deduction. If you are a resident of the vibrant state of California and looking to give back, this guide will walk you through the process of donating your car to a charitable organization. Choose a reputable charity. The first step in donating your car is selecting a reputable and qualified charity organization. Ensure the charity is registered 501c3 non-profit as this design ensure your donation will be tax deductible. Research charities that align with causes you care about, whether it's education, healthcare, veterans, sport, environment, or any other worthy cause. Verify acceptance of vehicle donations. Contact the chosen charity to confirm whether they accept car donations. Some organizations have specific criteria for the types and condition of vehicle that can be accepted. Gather vehicle information. Collect all relevant information about your vehicle, including its make, model, year, vehicle identification number, current condition, and mileage. Having this information ready will expedite the donation process. Determine the value of your donation. If you plan to claim a tax deduction for your car donation, you will need to determine its fair market value. For vehicle valued at over $500, you will need to fill out IRS Form A283 when filling your taxes. To establish the value, consider the factors such as car's condition, age, mileage, and any recent improvements or repairs. Prepare the vehicle for donation. While most charities accept cars in various conditions, a well-maintained and clean vehicle often garners a high donation value. You should clean both the interior and exterior of the car. Remove personal belongings and important documents. Ensure the vehicle is in driving condition unless the charity specifies otherwise. Complete the donation process. The exact process may vary slightly depending on the charity, but generally it involves the following steps. Contact the charity. Reach out the charity to initiate the donation process. They will guide you through the necessary steps and paperwork. Transfer of title. Sign over the title of the vehicle to the charity. Make sure to follow your state specific guideline for transferring ownership. Donation paperwork. Complete any additional paperwork required by the charity, which may include a donation form and a release of liability form. Tow or drop off. Depending on the charity's policies, you will either arrange for the charity to pick up the vehicle or drop it off at a designated location. Receive a donation receipt. Once the charity receives the vehicle, they will provide you with the donation receipt. This receipt is essential for claiming a tax deduction when you file your taxes. Claiming the tax deduction. When you file your taxes, you can claim a deduction based on the value of your car donation. If the value exceeds $500, you will need to include IRS Form A283 with your tax return. If the value is over $5,000, you will also need a written appraisal for the vehicle. Stay informed about tax charges. Tax laws can change, so it's important to stay informed about any updates that might affect your car donation tax deduction eligibility. Consulting a tax professional or visiting the IRS website can provide you with accurate and up-to-date information. Celebrate your impact. Knowing that your car donation is contributing to a cause you care about is a wonderful feeling. Many charities will keep you updated on how your donation is making difference in the lives of others. Conclusion. Donating your car in California is a meaningful way to give back to your community and support organizations working towards positive change. By choosing a reputable charity, preparing your vehicle, and following the necessary steps, you can turn your old wheels into a source of hope and impact for those in need.